math lovers! I'm Miss Rida and this is your new favorite place to learn math. I'll show you how math can be fun. Let's get started. Today, we're going to learn about integers, but not just from a textbook. We'll see how integers actually appear in our daily lives. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, and see the weather says minus 3 degrees Celsius. Later, you check your bank accounts after buying snacks, and it says minus 50,000 rupiah. Guess what? You've just met integers before you even open your math book. Okay, now let's find out what integers are. An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or zero. It doesn't have fractions or decimals. For example, minus 3, 0, and 7 are all integers, but 0.6, a half, minus 1.8 are not integers. Now, let's see an example using temperature. Yesterday, it was 5 degrees Celsius. Today, it's minus 2 degrees Celsius. That means the temperature dropped by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the temperature dropped by 7 degrees. That's an integer change. Let's use an example with money. You usually understand better when we talk about money, right? If you have 200,000 rupiah and then you buy a game for 150,000 rupiah, now your balance is 50,000 rupiah. But if you borrow 70,000 rupiah with a friend, your balance becomes minus 20,000 rupiah. That's a negative integer. In a shopping mall, you might see floors labeled minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Basements are negative integers. Ground floor is 0 and upper floors are positive integers. Alright, math lovers, here's a practice question for you. If you're at floors minus 3 in a parking building and then you take the elevator up to floor 5, how many floors did you move? Take a moment. Think about it. The answer is... You're right! 8 floors. We can count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 moves. But instead of counting one by one, there's a quicker way. We take the top floor and subtract the starting floor. That's 5 minus negative 3. Remember, subtracting a negative is the same as adding. So it becomes 5 plus 3 equals 8. So you move 8 floors in total. Okay, to understand better, let's think about this example. If you are standing at ground level, which is 0 meters, and then you climb down into a well that's 12 meters deep. Where are you now? Yeah, minus 12 meters. The negative integer means you're below the ground. Now, if you climb up 5 meters from the bottom, where are you now? Yeah, you're right. Minus 7 meters. If you move up or right, it means 8. If you move down or left, it means subtract. You just do minus 12 plus 5 equals minus 7. Alright, math lovers, that's a wrap for integers. Remember, positive number, go up. Negative number, go down. Integers are everywhere. In temperature, money, buildings, even in sports scores. So, next time, if you see a negative or positive number, just smile and say, "Hello, integer." Thanks for watching and see you next time with lovers. Bye!